Hello student of class 10. Today I am going to explain exercise 3.4 of chapter a pair of linear equations in two variables. After explaining graphical method and substitution method, now I am explaining the elimination method to solve the equations. The first equation has given x plus y is equal to 5, another is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Elimination method means we have to eliminate first either x term or y term. Okay, so it is the first equation, second equation. Now to eliminate any of the equation, we have to make the same term of y or same term of x. If we want to make the same term for y, in first equation we have to make it 3. It is minus 3, so we have to make it 3y also. To make it 3y, you have to multiply the equation 1 by 3. So it is multiplying equation 1 by 3, we get 3x plus 3y. 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. Now I have written that. And second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. If we add these two equations, so it is plus minus, it will cancel, it will eliminate. Now 3x plus 2x, 5x is equal to 19. X is equal 19 upon 5. Now this value of x we have to substitute in the second equation or first equation anywhere. Now here this first equation, x plus y equal to 5. X value is 19 upon 5. We have got it. Plus y is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 minus 19 upon 5 is equal to y equal to 6 upon 5. So from these two, either adding or subtracting, we have to eliminate any one of the variable. Next, another one we will get. Next question is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 1. Now, to eliminate x or y, here I have eliminated y. So, multiplied it by 2, all 3 terms. So, it is 3x plus 4y is equal to, as it is we have to write. And second one is multiplied by 2. It is 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. Now eliminate this because it is plus and minus, it is, you can cancel it. 3x plus 4x, 7x is equal to 14, x is equal to 2. Now substitute this value in equation, any one of the equation 1 I have substituted that. So 2 into 3 into 2, x value you substituted, 3 into 2 is plus 4y is equal to 10, 4y is equal to 10 minus 6, this 6 will come that side, 10 minus 6 and y is equal to 1. Okay, the required solution is x equal to y is equal to 1. Next also same type of question. I think no need to explain. Even if it is, these two are the same sign, these are same sign. This type of question where the different sign you will add, where the same sign you have to subtract. For this, multiply this equation, first equation by 3, it is 9x minus 15y is equal to 12. I have written the same. And second is equation as it is, I have written here. Now by subtracting, as they are the same sign, so by subtracting we have to change the sign. Minus, it is minus, it is plus, and it was plus, it is minus. Now cancel this one. It is minus 13y is equal to 5. So y is equal to minus 5 upon 13. It is the value of y. Again substitute this and value of x you can get. Similarly, this equation you solve, simplify in this form. Now here by simplification you can take LCM of 2 and 3, 6. Multiply by 6 all 3 terms. It is multiply by 6, multiply by 6, multiply by 6. It should be 3x. This one 3 2s are 2 2s are 4y is equal to minus 6. To eliminate x, value of x, same, it is the second equation. Same method, value of y by eliminating x, value of y minus 3, and substitute this value in In first equation, it is, that is x is equal to 2. Okay. Now second question has given, form the pair of linear equations and find the solution by elimination method. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. So according to this condition, the first condition is, let the fraction be x upon y. Now by the condition, you have to add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator. The fraction is 1. And second equation is this, by cross multiply you can get it that x minus y is equal minus 2. It is the equation 1. Now second condition is, if you add 1 only to the denominator, so x upon y plus 1 is equal to half. That fraction has given half. Now then cross multiply, 2x is equal to y plus 1. Now 2x minus 1 is equal to y. It is the second equation. Again by elimination method we will solve it, and the x and y value we have got. Then fraction is x upon y means 3 upon 5. Now next question is, 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. It is the first condition. Now second condition, 10 years later Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Now same, present age of Nuri x and Sonu y. 5 years ago x minus 5, and 5 years from now y minus 5. 10 years later it is x plus 10 and y plus 10. Now condition is x minus 5 is equal 3 into y minus 5, and second condition x plus 10, Nuri's age and Sonu's age. Second condition, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Now these two conditions forming the equation x minus 3y is equal minus 10, and this one second condition x minus 2y is equal to 10. Now these two equation again by elimination method. Eliminating x, we have got y is equal 20. Then substitute by value of y, we got x is equal 50. That means present age of Nuri is 50 years and present age of Sonu is 20 years. Next question, the sum of the digits of the two-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digits. Find the numbers. Now solution. Let the 2 digit is unit digit y and 10 digit is x. Now as we write as 56, it is unit digit, it is 10 digit. So we write 50 plus 6 is 56. Similarly here tens digit is x and unit digit y. So number is 10x plus y. We multiply 10 to tens digit and plus unit digit, 10x plus y. Now reversing digits, y will come at tens and x will go to unit digit. Now it is 10y plus x. It is the by reversing the digits. Means if we reverse it, so it should be 65. Same it is this one. Now first condition has given the sum of the digit of two digit number is 9. So sum of the digit is 9. X plus y is 9. And second condition has given 9 times this number. Means it is number, original number and reversing number. So 9 times this number is twice the number reversing the digits. From this condition you multiply by 9 and multiply by 2. then the equation came 8x minus, actually it is 88x minus 11y is equal to 0. We can take divide it by 11, so 8x minus y is equal to 0. It is the equation 2. Now first equation and second equation by elimination method, we have to multiply it by 8 and then subtract, or a y we can eliminate, and y eliminate, x is equal 1 and y is equal to 8. Now the required number is 10x plus y, so 10 into 1 plus 8 is equal to 18. Okay. Now next question is Mina went to the bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Mina got 25 notes, together 25 notes, okay, in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. Now let the number of 50 rupee notes be x and 100 rupee notes be y. It is the number of notes, x and y. So total notes is 25, so x plus y is equal 25. It is our first equation. Now second condition has given 50 rupees, so in rupees it is 50 into x, and y is 100 rupees note, so 100 y is equal to total cost, total money was 2000, so this is 2000. Now by 50 you can divide these three terms. It is x plus 2y is equal to 40. It is the second equation. Again by elimination method, first eliminate x, will get y is equal 15, and then substitute value of x, you will get x equal to 10. That means x equal 10 means 10 notes of 50 rupees and 15 notes of 100 rupees. Clear? Next question. A leading library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Saritha paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Let fixed charge is x and charge for extra day is per day is y. That I have written here. Now first condition is save for 7 days, paid 27 rupees. Fixed charge is x, it is only x. Now fixed charge for 3 days. For first 3 days it is fixed charge. Then after 3 days means, 7 minus 3, 4 days are left. So 7 minus 3 into y is equal to 27. Got in? X plus 7 minus 3 into y is equal to 27. So x plus 4y is equal to 27. It is the first equation. Next, Sushi paid 21 rupees and he kept the book for 5 days. So first 3 days is fixed charge. Now remaining days is 5 minus 3, 2 days is remaining. So 2y. So x plus 2y is equal to 21. It is the second equation. 2 equation we have got. Now by elimination method we can eliminate x first, y is equal to 3, and then substitute x, value of y, will get x is equal 15. That means fixed charge is rupees 15 and the charge for each extra day is rupees 3. And here the exercise end. Thank you very much. Now one assignment I have given for exercise 3.3 and 3.4 together. There are elimination method, substitution method, and 3 word problems. You have to form the equation, then you have to solve it by any of the method. answer I have given. Thank you very much.